formation behind him. And let's look at that battle for third. LaJoy charges the corner hard against the inside line. Ruggiero gets the lowest tap in the rear. Jet in there. They get through it. Jet Garcia fifth and third down.
Round and round he goes.
Stage number one, that's to gap himself for remainder of the deal.
That's what I wanted.
Cruz slides that truck through turns number 10 and 11. Loses a little bit of time. Gets some interest on the Big 10. 12 trophies behind him. That's to really enjoy. A lot of effort.